Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the determinations of exchange rate. We already said that equilibrium exchange rate is determined by the equality between the demand and supply of foreign exchange. In other words, the rate of exchange determines the interactions of demand and supply curve in the foreign exchange market. You have seen in the figure that on the x-axis we are taking the quantity demanded and supply of foreign exchange, and y-axis we have taken rate of exchange rate. Suppose we want to determine the rate of exchange between the rupees and dollar or price of dollar in the terms of rupees. In figure, DD is the demand curve for the dollar and SS is supply curve for the same. The demand curve for dollar slope downward from left to right, and it indicates that the more quantity of dollar is demanded at lower exchange rate, vice versa. And the supply curve of dollar slope upward rate right, it indicate more dollar are offered for sale at higher exchange rate and vice versa. The exchange rate determined when where the demand for dollar become equal to the supply, or where the foreign exchange demand curve or supply curve intersect each other. DD demand curve intersect SS supply curve at point E. Hence equilibrium exchange rate is determined as OR. Thus the rate at which demand for foreign exchange become equal to the supply of foreign exchange is termed as equilibrium rate of exchange. Exchange rate rise or fall. If exchange rate is OR, then the demand for foreign exchange will fall OQ1. The supply will rise OQ2. It is a situation's excess supply which result in fall in exchange rate till it again reach the equilibrium level. If exchange rate fall OR2, then the demand for foreign exchange will rise OQ2. The supply will fall to OQ1. It is a situation of excess demand which result in rise in exchange rate till it again reach equilibrium, that is OR. The reason behind rise in demand for foreign exchange with fall in its price, that is import increase. When price of foreign exchange fall, the foreign goods become relatively cheaper, and it may lead to the increase in import resulting in more demand of foreign exchange. Next, tourism. Fall in price of exchange rate promoted tourism so that foreign country, therefore demand for foreign exchange rise. Next, speculative activities. Sometimes people demanded more foreign exchange with the fall in its price to earn more profit through the speculative activities. Next, reason behind rise in supply for foreign exchange with the rise in its price. The first, export increase. When price of foreign exchange rise, then the domestic goods become relatively cheaper, and it may lead to increase in export resulting more supply of foreign exchange. Next, tourism. Rise in price of foreign exchange make home currency cheaper, which attract foreign tourism, promote tourism of home country. Therefore, supply of foreign exchange rise. Speculative activities. Sometimes people make more foreign exchange with rise in price to earn more profit through the speculative activities. Next, what is increase in demand and decrease in demand? An increase in demand for foreign exchange shift the original demand curve DD towards the DD1, and as a result of this, exchange rate from OR to OR1 signified two things: domestic currency depreciation, foreign currency appreciation. And decrease in demand foreign currency shifted original demand curve DD towards the DD2. As a result of this, exchange rate fall from OR to OR2 the significant two things: domestic currency appreciation and foreign currency depreciation. Now, change in supply. Increase in supply, foreign exchange shifted regional supply curve toward SS1. As a result of this, exchange rate fall from OR to OR1 and signifying two things: domestic currency appreciation and foreign currency depreciation. And next, decrease in supply, foreign exchange shifted for original supply curve towards left, SS2. As a result of this, exchange rate rise from OR to OR2 the significant two things: domestic currency and depreciations and foreign currency appreciation.